Hello viewers, we shall play I Am Cat mobile. So, since this is mobile, it might be different from VR. If you didn't know that this game is on VR, it's on VR. So, we will be playing this, and it's actually pretty fun. So if you have not played this on your phone or on your VR, if you even have one, it is actually extremely awesome. So let's go ahead and check up on our watch notification. Hey newbie, are you new to the neighborhood? If you want to join our cat gang, you have to prove your worth. I'll give you a few tasks. First, let's get to know the house. Alright, so what you try to do to level up, as you can see at the top of my screen, I'm level 1. And do you see this little door right here? It says need key card to garage. So you have to get all the way to max level, and then you get to go to the garage. So we have to get to the second floor of the house, which is obviously upstairs, the second story of this small building. So let's get up here, collect our little fishies. By the way, that's the currency in this game. On VR, there's like a secret room. There's like a secret room behind that clock, and then you can use your currency, aka your little fish up there. I have two, and you can buy like some little cosmetics for your kitty. And right now I'm normal. You can't buy on mobile. Well, at least I don't think so. So let's go ahead and start our whack-a-mole task, which is right over here. Okay, so let's start whack-a-mole. I have gotten past that ad just a second ago. So let's go ahead and start. Pretty easy on mobile, all you have to do is just tap the screen, but on VR you have to use your actual hands. And just so you know, once we get to level 3, we will be going to a next episode. So I really hope you're enjoying this video right now. So our next task is turn on the dance channel. As you can see, there's a TV right there. If you didn't know, on VR, pretty fun. You can actually hold the remote and press the buttons. But all you have to do is just turn the TV on. And right now it's on number 1, which is just some funny, cute videos of kitties. I actually watched it all a couple hours ago. So let's go ahead and go to the dance channel. So we have turned on the dance channel. Let's claim our currency. And it's really just the same thing, but like, except for it's cats doing some dances and music. And Granny was staring at me in a very suspicious look. Alright, let's just go ahead and continue. Talking about Granny. I don't know if it means a whole bunch of other shelves or just one shelf. So I'm just gonna go up here and take these books down. It's gonna be pretty easy. Okay. We'll be throwing them off then. Alright, that was extremely quick. I had never done that task that quick. Alright, so let's go check up on our notification. In case you break something or get tired to sleep on your bed, I always do that. Okay, yeah. Sleeping on the bed is actually insanely OP because it like repairs the whole house. Like everything that you knocked down and broken is now magically fixed. And start our sleeping montage. Alright, we are awake now. So, let's go ahead. Good morning, rookie. Let's test your agility. You're safe in the house, but the outdoors will be tricky. We'll start with a few simple tasks. Alright. So, let's go ahead and start. Thank you, Fluffy Joe. Climb to the top of the shelf of the refrigerator. Pretty easy. The refrigerator's right here, and there's a shelf on top. So let's just go ahead and start climbing.
The 360.
Alright, so let's continue climbing. My control just biffled for a second. It looks like we have gotten to the fridge. I mean, the top of it, but we're still kind of levitating in the air. Let's get up here. All it is. So let's go ahead and hop down. Whee! Okay, it says claws and balloons, burst 5 balloons. So luckily, since we're right beside a balloon, popped it. There we go. Alright, go back this here. Pretty easy. And Granny, I have no idea. Totally not my aim. I have been naughty for the past few days. I've been popping all of Granny's balloons. Well, I've actually only popped 3 of them. So, let's go ahead. Ooh, look, there's one right here. Yes, sir. All right. Let's go ahead and collect our currency. And let's go ahead and continue. Catch all mice in 30 seconds. We're going to have to watch an ad for this one. At least I think so. Yeah, all right. Let's go ahead and start it. All right. So I have skipped the ad for you guys. Let's start. Grab it and put it in there. And grab it. And put it in there. That for some reason these mice are slacking off. Where'd he go? There he is. Give me it. Yeah. Done. Whew. Okay. Granny, be quiet, bro. So the highest point of the house is definitely not a mountain. But it is also not near as high as a mountain. It's actually pretty easy to get up to. So let's... And... Okay. Okay, now all you have to do is climb up this little ladder here. And we have climbed to the highest point of the house. And let's climb. As you can see, these are like this. No, not these. This is like one of the maps that we'll be unlocking in later videos. So let's go ahead and continue our task. So pretty easy. Well, it's actually not that easy. I've had a lot of trouble with it. So it's actually kind of hard to get up here too. So we're gonna have to find a different way to get up there then. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this should be easy. Yes, okay. I'm gonna have to watch an ad for this one, as you can see, so I will be skipping it for you guys. Alright, I have watched the ad for the basketball, so let's start trying to make a shot. Alright, we should go yeet. Come on! And let me just not move from the spot, because it is a great spot. So let's toss it. Yeet! No, actually, let's grab it. Yeet. Yeah, we did it. All right. So let's go and touch the art. Touch 6 paintings. So there's one right here. Boop. Boop. Paintings. Boop. And boop. We have touched 6 paintings. Reward 6 fishies. So play a melody on the piano. So let's go and do that one. Alright, let's go ahead and play the piano. So F-A-C-D-D. Alright, we did it! Let's go ahead and collect our fish and check up on this notification. Alright. Not bad, but you're too careful. Show me how bad you can be. Break something. Oh, alright. I can definitely. I'm so bad. I'm such a bad kitty. And also, whenever I was looking through the Nintendo Switch eShop today, I saw this one I Am Cat knockoff, and I was like, bro, seriously? It was like literally nothing like nothing at all destroying everything. And the grandma kind of looked kind of identical. But like seriously though, it was the worst I Am Cat knockoff I have seen in so long. We dropped all the pillows on the floor, and now we got our fishies. So scatter the food from the bowl.
First of all, we need.
So where's the food bowl? Okay, so Granny, don't get mad at me for this. Oh wait, I think I have an idea. So if I do this successfully. So, think. Oh, it worked! Yes, sir! Alright. We win because, as you can see, you can't put stuff in bowls or onto stuff and pick it up and it'll like carry it around with like a plate or something, and you put food on the plate. It won't work like that. The food will just fall through the plate. So let's go and break 3 bottles. It says alcohol is evil. So, there's 1 bottle up here, and then there's 2 more in the, Okay, we're done with that person. We're gonna have to go and sleep. She's gonna get back up and attack me. So let's go ahead and skip this sleeping montage. Alright, so we're now awake, and it says to, wait, task changed? It says to break 5 plates. Oh, hello, Grandma. Yeet. Haha. I'm just trolling her, basically. She can't even do anything else. Is she gonna stop looking at the... Yeah. Oh, she's just happy about it now? Oh, she's cooked. She's cooked, everyone! She's cooked! Alright, I'm gonna skip this ad break, guys. Sorry, I'll edit this out. Alright, we're back. Okay. Okay, let's go and break this plate. This Edie. Haha, I broke 5 plates. Yeah, goofy out, Grandma. Oh, she's coming. Get me, though. Can't get me, Grandma. I'll sausage at you. possibly can you do to me? Yeah, you're gonna hit your own cat with a frying pan? Yeah, you feel too sorry. Yeah, exactly. Throw away the poop on the lip. Ew! No, guys, look away. Please look away from this. Ew. Did my character just... I thought he just instantly dropped it because it was so disgusting. This is such an easy task, though. Blech, blech. Ew. Ew. Boop. And let's go break 5 pots, vases, or statues. So all of those have to be upstairs, because where else? There's a lot down here, but I don't want to do it anywhere else, because then the grandma will get mad at me. So let's go ahead and continue hee-heeing upstairs. Okay, hold up. I'm going to edit this out too. Sorry, guys. Alright, we're back from that ad. I am sorry, I apologize for the Starbucks interruption. Okay, there's a pot right here, so let's... Breaky, breaky! Grandma cannot come up here, so boing. Down. This is the easiest task. Broke 5 pots, vases, statues. We get 5 fishy. It says alcohol is evil. That's the task that we were doing earlier. But then when we went back to sleep because we didn't want the grandma to come and smack us on our head with a frying pan, we went to sleep for that task. So, oh yeah, it still says there's 2 left. So let's go ahead and watch the ad. I will now edit this out. Alright guys, we're back, and now we're going to open the fridge up because we watched the ad for it, so let's open it up. Oh, nice, okay. So, boing. Huh. Huh. How will we break this? Answers my question. How did we do that? What in the heck is Grandma doing? She made no noise. You got struck by a smooth criminal. Wow, I heard the mayhem across town. I guess you better not get angry. Now let's show a little kindness. I'm sending you the tags. Alrighty. So, when are you going to send me the tasks? Oh, I fish in the aquarium, and aw, that's such a sweet task. Where is he? Oh, I think I remember he's up there. Boing! Let's go up here. Pop the balloon just for fun. Boing! And dropping fishy. There he is. And my friend, hopefully you are not dead by the... Yay! We have got that ad done. Oh wait, sorry, not I'm gonna say ad. So we're gonna have to watch an ad for that. What is that? Fish food, that's what that is. Aw, we're gonna put the robot to sleep with us. Hey, don't get mad. I'm just gonna go take a little snuggle with you. Yay! Well, I haven't put him down yet, so let's do that. And you are stuck here forever. Hehe. Sorry. Feed fish in the aquarium. I knew we were gonna just use that fish food soon. I just somehow knew. Okay. Let's watch an ad for this. Alright guys, we're back from the ad. So let's go ahead and feed the fishies. Fishies. Ooh. Alright guys. So now that we are level 6, I said that we were going to be going to level 3, but luckily I had some time to keep making the video, and we can now end the video. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed, and so goodbye, and make sure to comment on the next mobile game I should play for my next video. So goodbye.